I've tried many times to get my husband to renew our vows. This August 7th, we'll be married 19 years. I tried at 10, I tried at 15.
Oh, look at
Two children. You know, things get in the way.
Wedding picture. It's beautiful.
I was only 22.
You want to redo your vows?
Redo my vows.
You tried it at 15, and you're...
I tried at 10, and then 15 again.
Why does he say he doesn't want to?
Not that he doesn't want to, just things like everyday things of work or situations, you know, kids' sports. We can't do it this week.
Wait, does he know you definitely want to do this? You've been very clear.
At least once a week, I tell him.
Once a week?
At least.
And what does he say back?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's all.
So he does not want to do this.
Yes, but he never gives me a reason why.
He what?
Never gives me a reason why.
You deserve a reason why. I mean, my sort of, as I hear about this, I wonder, why is he resisting and why are you persisting, right? You've got, both you have motivational states that are like need explanation.
Right, like why do you want this if he doesn't find it romantic and fabulous, like?
And it makes me wonder, is your relationship okay? And is somehow this supposed to heal something and make something magical get better in your relationship? Things okay?
Oh, absolutely. I'm just, you know.
You guys physically good?
Yes, thank goodness, yes.
Daytime show true.
We've been here before, Rachel.
That's true.
So,
good.
But it's all good. But that's important, right? That's important. And so
is.
it's not some sort of fantasy that this is going to magically rekindle something in your relationships. What is it why are you persisting?
You know, I've watched movies, shows where they renew their vows, and it's so beautiful. And I have a 16 and 10-year-old, and I would love them to walk me down the aisle again.
Hold on, a 6-year-old boy?
16 and 10.
Boy.
16. Boys,
you think that 6-year-old boy gives one good, you know what, about a renewed vow?
Absolutely.
You think you've been around 6-year-old boys lately? You think he wants to be at a wedding? No. So he doesn't care. The 10-year-old is just doing whatever mom wants him to do. So that's not an issue. Is it expensive? Is he worried about the expense?
No.
First of all, you need to find out really what's going on with him, right? You got to find out why he's resisting so much. And he needs to hear from you clearly how important it is for you, right? Because this is clearly something that means something for you. The reasons I don't understand yet, she is not making it clear to me.
I would just want the honeymoon part, really.
So I don't know what...
I get both sides of this. My husband and I did get remarried for our 10th. My pit bull walked me down the aisle. It was sweet.
Dig it.
But I just wore a cocktail dress. It was a big white poofy thing. And we actually read each other funny poetry. I read him a poem about whiskey because he loves whiskey as much as his wife, for sure. And he read me Charles Bukowski. He's a very angry, grumpy guy.
Nice.
But I love him. He's my favorite poet.
Oh.
So if we did it kind of tongue-in-cheek, is that kind of a solution? Like if she got him more involved?
Exactly. No, you're exactly on it. You're going to have to tone down a little bit some of your expectations and these sort of superficial needs. I mean, and find out what his needs are. Look, it would be nice, wouldn't it? It would be nice, and really focus on what the meaning would be of it, not what the superficial sort of blush would be, but really what it would mean to both of you, and tone it way down, and I bet he'd go for a little something, something. Okay?
I'll try that. Thank you.
If he gets a little something, something.
Yeah.